Use the trapezoidal rule with n equals 10 strips, that's actually quite a lot of strips to do manually, to find the approximate area under the curve f of x is 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 between x is 2 and x is 6. I might just get a sketch of that. So we'll definitely have the calculator available, so we may as well make use of it. And so what have we got? We've got 3x squared minus 2x, add 1. And we want to graph that so we can see which part of it we're doing here. And so let's have a sketch. So it goes something like this. Let's just draw that a bit wider so we can get a better. So it's going to go something like that. And we want to go from 2 to 6. So altogether that's 4, and we want 10 strips. So each strip is going to be 0.4. So if we look at our x values, those are going to be at 2, 2.4, 2.8, 3.2, 3.6, 4, 4.4, 4.8, 5.2, 5.6, and 6. And we need the corresponding y values, the heights here. So what we're going to have to do is substitute each of these into the formula. Well, obviously doing that's not going to be the most efficient way. So what we'll do is we'll go back and let's produce a table of values for the function, and let's start that table at 2 and go as far as 6, and we'll go in 0.4s. So now these seem to be completely accurate to 2 decimal places, so that's good. So we're going to go 9, 13.48, 18.92, 25.32, 32.68, 41, and then we've got 50.28, 60.52, 71.72, 83.88, and 97. Now, let's think about the formula. We know it's h over 2, then we have the first and last values of y, and then twice all of the other values of y in here. So our h here we already discussed is 0.4, so that's 0.4 over 2. And then we're going to have the 9 and the 97, and then twice all of the other values. So we just need to calculate that. So I'm just going to clear everything else we've got. So 0.4 over 2 is 0.2, and then we're going to multiply that by a bracket that has 9 add 97, and then twice every other value of y. So 13.48 add 18.92 add 25.32 add 32.68 add 41 add 50.28, add 60.52, add 71.72, add 83.88, and that's the last one that needs to go there, and execute. That gives me 180.32 square units.